Hi, the Saloon Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2018 Toyota 86, stock number 1692. It's ran from the 10th 2016 to the 9th 2021. It has an FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag bowl tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag and tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag and tyre. Right front door has 2 grease marks. Right front door mirror. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag and tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.